Hello everyone, I'm Andy from Drone Age UK. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out here in the stunning Scottish countryside with something that's not just rugged, it's tactical, modular and purpose-built for creators like us. This is the Coalax Lancer 300. I would like to give a big thank you to Coalax for providing me with this backpack. I am one of the lucky ones who gets to test this out, but that being said, my thoughts and opinions are my own and I will give an honest review. So without further ado, let's get into this. So right out of the box, you notice the detachable accessory chest. The bag feels premium, the zips are smooth and no risk of snagging. Inside the chest bag are two pockets on either side. Both are relatively deep and easily secured with ties. The main pocket outside is secured with two clips and has a generous capacity to store your gear. Next up, we have the dual magic arms that rotate 360 degrees and extend up to 1.5 meters. This is perfect for capturing that impossible shot or framing the scene just right. The magic arms come with the tools needed to attach to the backpack, so there's no need to go searching for the right tools. Everything can be assembled on the spot. And finally, we have the Lancer 300 itself. Every inch of this pack screams durability, from the reinforced zippers to the military-style Morley webbing and the semi-rigid design. It's not just about carrying your gear with Coalax, it's about protecting it. The top compartment opens up and there are extra straps and clips, and there is a dedicated drone bay. Well, that's what I'm going to be using mine for. In the top of the pocket is a zip pocket, which can hold the remote control and several pockets for storing batteries and accessories. So in this one compartment alone, I can store my drone, my controller, batteries, ND filters, and extra cables. If you flip it over, the next compartment has a clamshell opening. On the top are three pockets, one with a Velcro seal and two pockets with zips. These are all very deep. You could easily store a laptop or a tablet in these. The base of the bag has multiple compartments, which can be taken out and rearranged to the way you would like it. The arm straps have a pocket on each side and they are both deep enough to hold a large mobile phone and are sealed with a Velcro strap. Inside the bottom compartment is another bag. This is a waist bag or a bum bag if you like, with yet another zip pocket for storing accessories. The lid of the compartment also has a zip pocket. So this backpack has so many pockets, you could hold every one of your accessories. It's important to note that this backpack is also built to hold a 336 watt-hour power station. It's not included in mine, but it's fully compatible. And at the time this was shipped to me, there was restrictions in place that made things difficult. So if you could get the backpack, but shipping out the power station wasn't possible just due to some of the restrictions. But I believe they've been resolved now. But before you order, if you do, make sure to have a look and see if it has. The power station has been quoted to allow you to charge your camera 12 to 15 times, your drone 4 to 6 times, your mobile phone 12 to 30 times, your iPad tablet 6 to 9 times, and your laptop 4 to 5 times. If you pair this with the 25 watt solar panel, it extends the daily power station by an impressive 30%. This is the perfect addition to the Lancer 300. And for me, it will allow me to go out with my drones, run down all the batteries and then charge up again. And it means I wouldn't have to cut my day short. Well guys, that was the Lancer 300. If you like what you see, you can grab yourself one for around £260. This isn't your average Amazon camera bag, but if you're like me, bouncing between shoots, always packing more than you need, the Coalax Lancer 300 might just be your next rig. Stick around as I test it out in the wild and share how it fits into my filming setup. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.